Welcome my lords and ladies of darkness.
Darkest Hour, Brightest Night have created this video, which is a reading by myself, Emma.
Of the Realm of Darkness article.
The article is available on the Darkest Hour, Brightest Night website.
Link in the description below. And this video is a reading, with a few tweaks, and with some animation. Tell us what you think.
Compared to June, July is a reasonably quiet in regards to astro events.
However, that doesn't mean nothing of interest is happening. And with the days getting shorter, and thus the nights getting longer, this means there is more opportunity to view the nighttime heavens. First week. Saturday, 2nd July.
IC 4756, Graphs Open Cluster, good viewing. If you would like to attempt to view the IC 4756 Open Cluster, then Saturday 2nd July is a good opportunity. Occurring on a Saturday, will hopefully mean you will be able to stay up late.
The best time to start viewing is around midnight. Being visible in a southerly direction, about 41 degrees above the horizon.
The new moon will have occurred just a few days before, so won't cause too much of an issue.
You will need at least a pair of binoculars or a telescope to view. Second week.
Monday 4th July.
Earth at aphelion. Today the Earth is at its furthest point from the Sun, also known as aphelion. The Earth has an elliptical orbit, which means the distance from the Sun changes through the year, reaching the furthest point in summer and the closest point at the beginning of the year.
Earth was nearly 5 million kilometers, roughly 3.1 million miles, closer to the Sun in January 2022, than it will be on the 4th of July. Although it won't be something that can be seen by amateur astronomers or astrophotographers anyway. Third week. Tuesday, 12th July. The 12th of July should mean the release of the first color images from the James Webb Space Telescope. If you want to know the instance that the images are released, here is a link to the NASA page.
We will also inform you via social media, so if you're not following us, then now is a good time. Our social media details are in the description below. Wednesday 13th July. Full moon.
The full moon of July is also a supermoon. So, unfortunately, will appear slightly larger than usual, as it is slightly closer to the Earth.
It is also known as a buck moon.
So we may feel a little less irritated by the full moon this month, as Electric Heart publishes us. In case you are wondering, a hart is an alternative name for a male deer or buck.
However, we will be pleased once the moon starts waning. The moon will rise at around 10 in the evening, and set just after 5 the next day. For those who want to gather intel on our enemy. Fifth week.
Thursday 28th July.
New moon.
The moon rises at just after 4:15 and sets at around 21:40, leaving the nighttime sky free to view, without the moon. Rising again shortly after sunrise, the next day. Saturday, 30th July. Southern Delta Aquarid Meteor Shower Peak. The Southern Delta Aquarid Meteor Shower reaches its peak on Saturday 30th July, although it is visible from 12th July to the 23rd of August. Its ZHR, zenith hourly rate, is 25, which means you could see a meteor about every 2.5 minutes, in the right conditions. If you want to view, then it should be visible from about 22:40 until daybreak. Located in the Aquarius constellation, in a southeasterly direction.
Planet spotting. Mercury.
Mercury will be visible in the morning at the start of July.
However, will be low in the sky, and will disappear by the middle of July. Venus.
Venus will be visible a couple of hours before sunrise in July. Mars. In July, Mars will be the brightest morning planet.
Jupiter. Jupiter will be becoming more visible in the mornings through July. Saturn.
Saturn's visibility will become better through July.
Visible in the morning. Uranus. Uranus is visible in the mornings through July, and will be close to Mars towards the end of July. Neptune.
Neptune's visibility will become better towards the end of July. Associated podcast, video. Darkest Hour, Brightest Night also produce a podcast, plus a video, which gives you an overview of the events due to occur in July 2022.
These should be released on the 27th June. The podcast can be found in the podcast section or on your podcast app.
The video can be found in the video section, or via Odyssey or YouTube. Following us on social media will keep you up to date on the events mentioned in this article reading video, and other related updates.
Links are in the description below. Support. If you enjoyed this article reading video and would like to help us in creating more content,
then please consider donating via buymeacoffee.com/DHBN.
A link is in the description below.
Written by Ben Patmore.
Ben Patmore is an amateur astrophotographer. Feedback.
Feedback is always welcomed regarding this article reading video.
Consider pressing the like button and leaving a comment. You can also press the subscribe button, plus the bell notification, so you can be kept informed of new video releases.